Hello guys, welcome back to Quanta AI Labs. So today we learn about the NVIDIA Cosmos. This is the second part of NVIDIA Cosmos in which we use image to video workflow in ComfyUI. So before going to the workflow, we are the Quanta AI Labs running generative AI consultancy and we have AI training hub also. So if you want to learn about all the things just like stable diffusion, ComfyUI or complete generative AI cohort you want, you can enroll on our website. You just click on our website. You come here on the cohort page, you got all the information about the cohort. So if you see, this is in the week 1. There is a foundation of generative AI and diffusion models. In week 2, the prompt engineering and stable diffusion. Week 3, ComfyUI projects. Week 4, understanding of LLMs. Week 5, we deep dive into the RAG and its application. Week 6, we go into the AI agents and its applications. Then the week 7 to 12, we working on the hands-on projects, building AI apps, AI microservices, and the generative AI product for different industry. So these are the 3-month program, intensive program. So if you want to learn about generative AI completely, you can join this program. You can enroll by clicking on this. So these are our exciting offer for January only. After January, you will never see this price. So this is right now at 24,999 rupees. So with just 50% discount on the original price. So hope you loved this thing. So let's go on our today's video agenda, which is NVIDIA Cosmos image to video workflow. So in the last video, I will tell you how to download NVIDIA Cosmos model. So these are the two models released by NVIDIA. One is 7 billion parameter, second is 14 billion parameter. You get text encoder and VAE here already. You click this one and you got the Hugging Face link and you can download it. If you search ComfyUI NVIDIA Cosmos, so you come on this page and you just click on this. This is the page. I will put this link into the description also and the workflow link also. So these are the video models. The safe tensor file you can download by clicking. This is the 7 billion parameters. One is text to video. Both are text to video only. So this is for the 14 billion parameters. This is the workflow. You need to download the workflow in JSON format. This is the text to video workflow, which we discussed in the previous video. If you didn't watch that video, you can watch by in the link in the description and in the I button also. In today's video, we discuss about the image to video workflow. So we are using, let's go to the ComfyUI screen. So this is the default workflow. Let's load the workflow. So it takes a lot of time. I tested with the wave speed node also, which we discussed in the previous videos to increase the workflow speed, but it didn't work with this one. Okay, so I tried with this one, the diffusion model, but it didn't work. We run this workflow already. So as we see, this is the load clip. You can find this clip here only in the VAE encoder. Yeah, this is the one. Your text encoder, you need to ComfyUI model text encoder. This is the VAE you can download from here. Then these are the models. You need to place it in the diffusion model. Okay, now let's go to the ComfyUI. So this is the load clip. These are the ComfyUI base load diffusion, and the model sampling, you can on it or you can make it. So model sampling continuous EDM, you can on it or you can close it. It depends on you. This is the LTV 24. By default, it takes 24 frame rate. So there is a sampler name rest multi-steps. I tried with Euler also, but the getting good result with rest multi-step only. So right now you can do it 24 here and run it. It takes approximately 15 to maybe 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes to generate. You need to upload the image and get the result out. So for prompts right now, so this is the prompt it's right. It takes the negative prompt, that is the special case in this model. other video models are not taking the negative prompt. So you got the better idea how to use this. Just copy this one on the chat GPT and write the prompt according to your niche. You can upload the image also. So this way you can resolve your prompt issue. If you don't know how to write a good prompt, just copy this one, copy positive prompt, copy negative prompt, and just write, give me the similar type of prompts but with my image. So it will give you. So this is the thing. I will post this result, how to make such videos in NVIDIA. So you got this thing. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe our channel, which is Quanta AI Labs. And if you want to learn about generative AI, you can enroll our cohort also, which is complete generative AI program for you. Or if you have any doubts regarding, if you want some particular course, for example, you want to learn ComfyUI, you can contact us. Our team will discuss with you. Sure. Thank you, everyone.